Oh, it's a cat and he wants to play. Yeah, you want to play? Is that what you want to do? You want to play right now, huh? Huh? You want to play? You want to play? You want to play? Yeah. You got my whole finger in your mouth. Alright, so what's going on? It is now part 3, I guess, technically, since I could put the first 2 together. So I'm going to check the fuel pump, at least the wiring today. I'm going to wait for Liam to wake up. I don't have my ohm reader with me. I didn't bring it with me here. So it's probably still at my dad's, or I don't know where it could be, to be honest. But I'm waiting for that to get here, and then once that gets here, or once Liam gets here with his, I should say, if he comes over, then we'll, you know, take care of the whole car. And we'll take care of the fuel pump. I'm going to test all the wiring first, see if it's just an electrical issue. If we're getting power all the way to the relay, all the way in, then it's probably the fuel pump, and we'll replace that. But I'm not getting fuel. So we now know it's a fuel issue. So I'm going to take a look at that here, and hopefully, I'm hoping it is just electrical, and I just need to buy another relay, or I hope I don't have to deal with any wires. So that would suck. But yeah, so I'm gonna wait for Liam to wake up. I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, so we're gonna check the fuel pump right now to see if it has power. Liam, it's in the back seat there, bud. Okay. Behind you. So I'm gonna go around the corner here, show you guys, put my keys in my pocket. So what we're gonna test here,
look, a thing.
We're gonna test this guy. We should pop this out, but I don't think we need to. So we just need to pull this.
Is there a clip?
I don't think so. This thing pulls.
I think so.
Oh. Okay, we're both idiots.
What do we test?
This, I believe.
Which one?
I don't know. So I think the way this works is
you turn the key to accessory and see which one has 12 volts.
Yeah.
So hold that there.
We're gonna take care of this real quick.
Here, hold it like right there. Scratch a line so we can get to the clear metal.
Oh shit. Yeah. Here, AJ, cameraman.
Nothing. 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 Up. Nothing. Nothing.
We're getting no power.
Well, hold on.
Unless
I'm trying to figure out which side is the power side. Is this side the power side, or
yes,
is this side the power side?
This is the power side. You can here.
Let's poke around here.
Yeah, this is the power side.
Okay, let's plug this back in and unplug the fuel pump.
You do it? Oh, Dad! He did it!
Okay, so let's ground to something.
There's a lot of something on the ground here.
I thought you were just about to stick it in here. I'm like, nope, that doesn't work. Key on, Reed?
Yep. Nothing. That's correct settings? There's nothing in there.
Yeah, 12 volt or 20 volt. It'll read up to 20 volts and the car's 12 volt. So we're not getting power to the fuel pump.
Nope. We are not getting power to you. Hear that? Alright, so we're not getting power to the fuel pump, which means we're going to have to diagnose this a little more and kind of go from there. So we're going to have to figure out why it's not getting power. Okay, well, I was going to vlog exactly my dumbass mistake, but I think we fixed it. I'm lightheaded as shit. We're working with fuel right now, and I just been whiffing the shit out of it. So I'm not feeling great, but I'm alright, I guess. So anyways, I'm going to take you guys inside the car, kind of show you exactly what we're dealing with here. Thankfully, I don't smoke cigarettes anymore, so I don't have to worry about blowing myself up, because I got fuel all over my hands and shit like that. But let's get inside the car here. Alright, so here is where your fuel pump sits. What we're going to try and do is we're going to take the fuel pump out of the Outback because neither one of us is driving it anymore. Reed got the Legacy right there. We're going to take the fuel pump out of there and replace it in here to see if it's a fuel pump issue. If it is, I'll go buy a fuel pump. If that doesn't work, we're going to take the relay and try that. If that doesn't work, I don't know. But essentially that's what we're at right now. So to get to this, there's all this stuff I ripped from the installation just because there's so much gas that I needed to soak it up. So take this off. It's going to have 4 bolts. Phillips screwdriver will work. And then with all this, God damn, focus. There we go. You're going to have this plug. This is the plug we tested, but I don't know electrical like at all. So even reading the testers, I just don't understand them. So I'm not somebody you want to talk to about electrical shit. So once you have this unplugged, after you test it, if you're better than I am and you can actually read it, then cool. There's all these little screws around here. I don't know if you're going to be able to see them very well. You can see them right here. 8 mil. We'll take care of that. And then you got your lines. Now, when you pull these, example A, and I'm lightheaded as shit right now. I'm trying to talk really fast just to get through it. But you take these lines out and then unscrew this, and then you can pull your fuel filter out. I'll show you guys that. Once I'm able to get it out, I got to find something to catch the fuel that keeps spraying out of these 2 hoses. This one I haven't had an issue with yet. But these ones I keep getting fuel just spraying. So I'm going to fix that. I'm going to catch the fuel that's coming out. And then when I get it out, I'll show you guys. Alright, so this is what we did. This is actually the fuel pump, just straight from the Outback over there. And then we'll take you over to the Outback right now. Ow, I just hit my fucking head on the door. And here in the Outback, we have nothing. And then on the outside of the Outback, where's my fuel pump? That's my fuel pump. This is my fuel pump out of my Legacy. So we're going to see if it's a fuel pump issue right now. And it was a pain in the ass to swap out. Little tip real quick, because I'm going to have to go close it. Anyways, ow, I'm getting stuck. So when you're taking out your fuel pump, open up your gas tank. That will release the pressure, and you won't get fuel everywhere, like I did, and almost pass out in the car. So, lesson learned. Alright, let's go ahead and start this. So even with the other fuel pump, it is still not priming. So good guess that it is not my fuel pump. I should have changed my white balance, but I'll just do it in post. But yeah, so it's not the fuel pump. It's definitely electrical at this point. Cool. Alright, time to swap this back out with mine, and then I'll see you guys in a second. Alright, so it's getting pretty dark again. We've been working on this all day. So we swapped out the fuel pump with the Subaru behind it, and it worked fine on that one, and his didn't work, or that one didn't work in mine. Still not priming. We swapped out the relay from his Legacy into my Legacy and swapped my relay into his. Same thing. His worked, mine didn't. So I really don't know exactly what it could be. I mean, afterwards we spent the last hour and a half just reading forums and watching videos, and just everybody said the same thing. It's either the relay or the fuel pump, but we've already confirmed that it's neither one of those. I don't know what this guy, whoever stole my car, I don't know what they could have done to the car to not make it like start, because it cranks, and we got it to run by forcing fuel in the air intake. So we took some fuel from the Outback and put it in the intake in this, and it started right up, and it ran for, a couple of seconds for as much gas that was in there. So aside from that, I am not entirely 100% sure what else it could be. Yeah, I'm drawing a blank. I can't even think about it. So I think we'll just call it a night tonight. I'll get back on it probably tomorrow. I'm going to probably just go inside now and just edit this video and just do more research on, God, whatever I can find. So with that, hopefully in the next video when I see you guys, I hope I have it running. I really hope I do. Appreciate you guys checking this video out. If you have any insight too, definitely let me know. I'm more than open to feedback right now. So yeah, go ahead and drop those comments, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys all later. Bye.